Just like any other day, I was just sitting around my studio wondering if the day will give out, itajipea ama itajipa. Yeah, just been there, being a village photographer, having hopes that today, been having a week of a day you can go without even a job from Monday to Friday. Friday is when we start getting clients, so I wasn't expecting this call. A friend of mine, yes, a good friend of mine called Jail, she just visited the studio and told me, yo, Carlos, what's up? Yeah, I think we are going outside there and I'm going to have a lunch with my family and I really want some pictures. And please, can you find a good place that we can do our pictures? A good hotel where we can have a lunch? Oh, what is in my mind, I was just sitting there and wondering which hotel should I go. I look for all the hotels in my mind, all the hotels that I've been to doing my photography. You know what? And I find a perfect place to go. So I had this manager who was my friend. At this beautiful hotel located in Gilgil Ridgemounts. So this hotel is so beautiful, so wonderful. As you can see, the environment, it is so niche, it can give you a good picture. So I decided to take them there. Yeah, and so I took them to Brooks Lodge Hotel. This hotel has a beautiful environment, has a swimming pool, has everything that you need. Food, but you have to make order before you make an order before you go there, so that you don't remain behind. So it was like that. We reached there, and as I was preparing for my day, I wondered, God, this manager of mine he's not there, and he was transferred. He's resigned the job from there, and the madam of the owner of the hotel was there, and she wasn't happy when I was doing photography there. But one thing she didn't know, I used to bring clients. Being a photographer, you are an influencer, you are a public figure that you are also a good public advertisement for hotels. When you take picture of those places, people ask you, why did you take this picture? Which place is this? Many a friend of mine have been asking me, which is this place? Please, can you take us this place? So if you charge your clients not an event, you charge them like an event, like a wedding, to pay for ground for photography, sometimes you may lose good clients that are paying for food to buy your service, and you provide for them the nature, the necessity. Yeah, and that is part of life. It is win-win game, and you charge photographers. They will bring people to your hotel to eat because they will want. So as I was saying, like, hotels have to be a win-win game. So don't charge photographers to do photography at your place. These people are marketable. People know them. When they post your pictures of these places, people ask them, where is this place? And you get clients through that, and that is what we call referral. So please give our photographers grounds. If you are watching this video, please. And this video is not sponsored by any hotel around. So this is my own video, just doing a video for my people. I'll see you. So guys, as I was saying, we went there and I started doing the photography for this hotel. Yeah, they were so friendly until the last picture they wanted to kick me out. It wasn't nice, but it is okay. It's part of the challenge that we face as photographer when we go to these big hotels and we are finding a place that we can do photography, we can do our art there, and we are selling your place. Even this video now, I know some of you will go to this place because you have watched the video. Keep it locked. This is your boy Carlos, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and God bless. Let's go.